So let us take a prakriya, bondage and liberation. I am presenting. Make it full screen. Maybe the full screen lower bar will go. All of you are able to see this bondage and liberation slide. Last week we saw in the triplet prakriya there are 3 children. One is a human child, which is made up of biological nature, coming from the human parents. Then a divine child, which is nothing but consciousness, and a society child, which is nothing but mind. Throughout our life, we are struggling with the mind actually. The entire liberation and bondage is because of the mind. So liberation is to understand that I am not the body, I am not the mind, I am the pure consciousness, Chaitanyam. How do you do that? You have to recognize the divine child in you, which is consciousness, which is Sakshi, awareness. So we see a child as an innocent is divine, it is blissful, it is peaceful. The divine innocence, the divine peace is reflected in the child. That's why everybody enjoys the company of the child. But as we grow up, what will happen to us? Why we get stressed? Why we get worried? From the child to adult, what has happened? The peace is not there. The stress is there. The innocence of the child is gone, replaced by the ego. The mind is full of thoughts. A stress builds up. When you are born as a child, okay, the child comes the innocence and peace of Shiva, the consciousness, Chaitanyam. The child is in the womb of the mother for 9 months. And in the womb, it is taken care of very well. There is a peace. So it is almost like this Amazon delivery. Amazon sends a courier to you. So when the courier comes, it is well packaged. There is no damage during transportation. Similarly, the child in the mother's womb is well packaged. Everything is taken care of in the mother's womb. And when the delivery happens, the child is born with the bliss, the peace and silence. The Shiva and Shakti, they are the father and mother. The delivery period is 9 months, just like Amazon delivery takes 2-3 days. The delivery of the child takes 9 months. In that 9 months, child is well packaged in the mother's womb. And the manufacturer, which is Shiva and Shakti, delivers the promise. What is that? The quality is guaranteed. Every child which is born has bliss and peace. Then after some time, as the child grows up, the ego develops. And when the ego develops, so there is a stress building up. So let us take the comparison of the Amazon product delivery. You receive the Amazon product. So if you don't like the product, you can return it. But let us say after your use for 6 months and the product is damaged, will the manufacturer take it back? So that's what happens to us. after we grow up, a lot of stress, mental stress develops. The original condition of manufacturing, where is peace and bliss is there of the child, disappears. So now, in this condition, if you go back to the manufacturer, which is God, what manufacturer will say? I don't accept it. You go back. So again you have to take a birth as a child. This is called Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Maranam, Punarapi Janani, Jatarashayanam. So there is a damage during usage of the product. The mind becomes stressful. The peace is gone. So if you die in that stress condition, again you take birth, a fresh birth. Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Maranam. Until you find out how to become peaceful in just your original peace you gain when you are alive. So this process of gaining back your original peace is called Atma Dana. It is called, through self-enquiry, you realize your own true nature. I am the divine child. I am peaceful. I am blissful. In this condition, again you gain your childlike innocence and childlike peace when you are alive. If you go back, you cannot return. There is no return. Otherwise, manufacturer Shiva and Shakti will not accept the defective product. This is called Atma-Jnana. So from here, a stressed condition, can we go back to our peaceful nature, blissful nature? Can we become blissful like a child, but still functional like an adult? All the knowledge of the adult is there, but internally we are peaceful like a child. And that stage is called Jivan Mukti or enlightenment. So that's why our ancestors said, Makkalagadiddare mukti illa. That means, if you don't have children, you will not get liberation. It is a wrong understanding. It is the meaning of that is Makkala hage agadiddare mukti illa. You have to become like a child. That's called liberation. Like a child means you have to become innocent and peaceful, but still fully functional in the society. That's Jivan Mukti.